Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this video I will show you how you can use Create AI website in order or for you or for upscaling your low quality images in just a few clicks. In the previous video I have told you that how you can use Create AI website for creating conceptual art videos. So in this video I will just show you how you can enhance your images. So first of all I will go there enhance the section, and here I will upload one of my images so that so that a high quality result can be created from the images. Let's choose any of our pictures. Let me choose one. So let's suppose we are going to choose this image, and let's see how much image is enhanced with the help of this tool. It will just do some clicks within few seconds and your high quality image will be generated. Let's click on the click enhance. Okay, you can also adjust the setting here, sharpness, each and everything. So I have already clicked on the enhance button, so I have submitted it. Okay, so we will be using the simple version. We don't need to buy that. I guess this feature is available in the premium version. So the basic thing is that how you can do this, you can just simply upload a picture, and after that you can just simply click on the enhance button and it will upscale the image. Okay, so that's how you can do, just simply enhance your images. But you also need to have the basic plan package, or you can also try pro or max one. So the basic monthly package is $10 per month. So that's how you can enhance your image. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for